Okay, so we're looking at simple interest, and by nature of the name of it, it is simple and very straightforward calculation. Let's just have a look at a few of the things here. We've got some words here that will need sorting out. One of them is interest, one of them is amount, and maybe the third one is per annum. Alright, so let's go with the green one first. Per annum means, well, it's annual. So the word comes from, annual comes from the word annum, and annual means yearly. Is every year, so year. Alright, so what we're saying is it's 3% each year, and we're investing it for 5 years, and we're starting with 100,000. Okay, now the starting money, the starting capital, if you like, has a particular name. This is called the principal. This is not boss of a school, this is the principal, and that's what we're starting with, which in this case then is 10,000, sorry, I beg pardon, 100,000 baht. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do 3% of 100,000. Well, 3% is 0.03, and so we're going to do 3% of times 100,000. Now what makes this simple is that is 1 year, so at the end of 1 year you will have that amount of interest. Okay, let me just put that there, interest. Alright, and then what makes it simple is the fact that it's 5 years, and what we say with this is that it's the same each year, and so all you have to do is multiply that by 5. Okay, looking on the calculator then, we've got 0.03. I'm going to multiply that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100,000, and that will give us 1 year's interest. So we're just going to times that by 5 to give us 5 years. Too many 5s. No panic. Okay, we will just go back up here. Might be easy to do it again, I don't know. Alright, let's clear all that. Let's just start again. Okay. Apologies for that. Alright, so 0.03. We're going to multiply that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get it right this time. There we go. That's 100,000. And then we're going to multiply that by 5 years, and that should give us a better value. Alright. This is then 15,000 baht. And that's the amount of interest that you would get after 5 years. Alright. So what's the amount? Well, that's the amount that you've got in the bank, and that will be what then? Good. Yep, that's 100,000 plus your interest. Okay, which is clearly 115,000 baht. So that's your blue bit. That's the amount of money that you would have in the bank if you left it. Obviously the idea of this is you've got to leave your money in, and therefore your money's tied up for 5 years in this example, so you can't touch it for 5 years, and that will slowly grow and grow and grow at 3% per annum. Alright, that's it, done.